What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video I told you that jailbreaking doesn't void your warranty and you can go right back to stock iOS without doing any harm to your phone. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how to go back to stock iOS, how to get your warranty back without harming your iPhone and get back to the original iOS state. This will work for most iOS users. I have done this for iOS 6 to iOS 13.5 now, so I'm going to show you how to do it exactly. So let's get started. So now I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, and unjailbreaking your iPhone going back to iOS stock is not complicated, but it has somewhat counted steps that you need to do in order to do it perfectly without any hiccups. So let's get on the points first and then start with it, right? So first you have to put your phone into DFU mode, and that means default firmware upgrade. DFU mode is used by Apple service centers and Apple officials or representatives to get your phone back up and running in case you mess up your software. So in this, what iTunes or Apple softwares does it, they don't check what's on your iPhone, they just clean wipe it all and put the new software back on it. So nobody knows that jailbroke was even on your hardware ever in like eternity. They won't get a clue of it. So that fixes it. First you have to put it in DFU mode. Then you have to connect your phone to your iTunes, right? DFU mode is done after connecting the iTunes, and then you put into DFU mode, but these are the steps, the things that you need to be in check. So first we connect it to the computer, put it into DFU mode, then your computer will say that an iPhone has been detected in recovery mode. DFU mode is also considered a recovery mode, and it will detect that your phone is in recovery mode, and then from there we can just click on update your iPhone and it will just flat clean your iPhone up, and from the ground up it will install all the softwares back on it. Remember, this will wipe all your data, so before you do any of this you need to make a backup. Make a backup. Don't ever say this that you didn't warn us. I warned you, you will get your data wiped out, so back it up before you do it. So after this, let's get back to our desktop and start with the setup and get our iPhone back up and running on stock iOS. Okay, so now we are on our system and our iPhone is connected to the system through a USB cable. So right now we have done the first step that included connect your iPhone to your system. Then we have to put it into DFU mode. For iPhone 10 and 8 and 8 Plus that don't have a home button, the standard procedure is to put into DFU mode is to unlock your phone, quickly press volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button till it goes black. And when the moment it goes black, you along with the holding the power button, you start holding the volume down button as well. So I'm gonna just do it up, down. It's gonna just, you don't have to slide it, wait for it to go black, it will go black. And there you go, it goes black, and we hold the volume down button. After 5 seconds we have to release the side button. When we release the side button, hold on the volume button, there you go, now it's black. DFU mode is in black, it does not show anything. It should be black. If you put it into a mode that shows the iTunes sign, you did it wrong. Start all over again, hold the volume button, power button to boot it up, and then start the procedure again. If it shows the iTunes button, DFU mode should be black. Now my Mac has detected that the iPhone has been detected in recovery mode. You must restore this, and the phone, it has to be used. So I'm just gonna click OK, and then we click on the restore button. After I click the restore button, it will start downloading it and install it. So I'm gonna shift to iPhone 6s and show you the screen and how it goes. Okay, now we are on a Mac, and let's get this thing for you, right? So now I have connected my 6S, and we're gonna put this thing into DFU mode. As you can see, we have iPhone 6S connected device. Hold down the home button and lock button. After 8 seconds, release the lock button while continuing to hold down the home button. Right? So hold on power and hold on lock button. Releasing the lock button. Now this thing will boot up into recovery mode. There you go. That shows our recovery mode, right? Let's launch them up. So now you just have to hit restore and update. And next, and agree. Is now downloading the software, and it will download and install it on my iPhone. You have just don't bother it, just leave your iPhone attached to your system and let it be, right? It will just install it and let you know when it's done. Now this was done because I wanted to make an iOS 14 review kind of thing. So after this I will install iOS 14 on this, and I expect a video soon enough for that. So yep, and soon a tweaks video will be coming up. I'll install all the good tweaks, go through all the lists that are available, the best ones out for you, the free ones, how to get the paid ones as well, I guess, if I get to do that. But I'll do most of it, and I'll filter them out for you guys and let you know what are the best tweaks, and then maybe overview of my own phone, what tweaks I have and all that. So hit that bell icon, hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down what you want, what tweaks you want, what else. If you have a problem with the unjailbreaking your iPhone, you can hit us up in the comments below, or you can do one thing, you can follow us on Instagram if you're not already following. Drop a DM there or join our Discord. I will be leaving the invite link for our Discord in the comment in the description below, as well as the link to how to put your phone into DFU mode so you don't have any problems. You love the Discord community, so join us up there, and meet you on the next one.